Oh, wait, what are you doing here in the middle of the night? And oh, why are you saying that I have an RC car on my controller on my hand? Oh, that's actually a video game controller. Yeah. I'm getting video game consoles into the class. Okay, I admit it. I actually have an RC car installed into this class, and a vacuum cleaner is installed as well. Yay! Just don't get them wrong, okay?
Just type good one. Good one. Great job. That's right. You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors. Problem 1. You got it.
I'm gonna take your cane.
I'll take that. It's mine now.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is...
before you leave?